Hi, I'm Catherine Cake, UCG Church Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to give with the ShelbyNext app. Open the app, choose the Give button, enter the amount, select the payment method you would like to use. I have a credit card here stored, but I could add a bank account if I wished. Select the fund to which you would like to give. We have lots to choose from, including fulfilling your 2020 pledge commitment. And today I'm going to give to General Plate Donations. It will be a one-time donation, and I touch Next. I come to a confirmation page that shows me the fund, the amount, and I touch the blue Give button. I'm taken back to the app with a thank you message. You're welcome. To double check this, I'm going to touch my picture and go to my profile. I'm going to touch the Giving tab, and there I am able to see my recent donations, or click to my full giving history, or check how far I've come along in my pledge commitment this year. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for your support of UCG.